Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving directly into how to use Trello's Card Watch feature effectively. This is a fantastic tool that enables you to keep track of specific cards on your Trello board. To start, find the card you wish to keep an eye on. You can do this by navigating through your Trello board. The reason we do this is because Trello's Card Watch feature only operates on a per-card basis, allowing you to monitor changes and updates on specific cards that hold your interest. Now that you've found your card, click on the card to bring up the card details menu. Next up, look for the Actions section on the right side of the screen and click on Watch. This helps us because the Watch feature notifies you whenever there are changes or updates to the card you're watching. It's a handy tool for project management and team collaboration. Let me explain why this matters. By using the Card Watch feature, you can save a lot of time sifting through different cards to find updates. It focuses your attention only on key cards that matter most to you. Once you've clicked on Watch, you're all set. You've now activated the Card Watch feature for that specific card. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello is now programmed to send you notifications whenever there are any changes or updates on the card you're watching. And that's it. You have now learned how to use Trello's Card Watch feature. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can enhance your productivity and collaboration on any project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next tutorial where we'll uncover more Trello features. Remember, Trello is not just a tool, it's a productivity powerhouse. See you next time.